Greenheck, building value in air.
Greenheck's newest addition to the Vari-Green line of products is the Vari-Green Drive Model 100 Plus and companion app. The Vari-Green Drive is a factory-mounted, wired, and programmed variable frequency drive developed with features that make ease of use the cornerstone of the user's experience. After the fan is installed, simply connect power to the drive and you're ready to go. No additional wiring or programming is necessary, greatly reducing the time it takes to get you up and running. To take advantage of the advanced feature set, utilize the Vari-Green Drive's Bluetooth connectivity with the companion app. Test and balance becomes a breeze by connecting to the drive via the companion app. The user can select hand mode and simply type in their desired speed. For more advanced programming functions, such as input-output configuration, RS-485 BACnet and Modbus communications, or damper and control power output, select one of the intuitive setup wizards. These wizards walk you through, step by step, how to configure your drive for each given control mode. Utilizing the configuration templates feature, drive setups can be copied and pasted from one drive to another. This saves time when multiple fans and drives need to be configured in the same manner, or for a replacement if required. After setup is complete, startup reports can easily be generated using the Vari-Green Drive companion app. Fill out general information and attach photos of the install. All settings and running parameters of the drive will be automatically populated in the report. Once completed, the report can be signed and emailed directly from the app. After commissioning and reporting are complete, the Vari-Green Drive and companion app continue to provide the user with exceptional, easy-to-use lifecycle management features. Detailed fault conditions are logged along with troubleshooting help and running parameters at the time of the fault. If additional assistance is needed, call or email the Greenheck technical support team and be sure to include your drive's fault log and current settings report to greatly reduce your troubleshooting time. As you can see, these features make the Vari-Green Drive Model 100 Plus with companion app easy to use and a big time saver during install, commissioning, and troubleshooting. Visit greenheck.com for more information or give us a call at 1-800-984-8713.